How to create a basic 3D screen effect. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I would like to create a 3D screen effect. Hold down the Alt key and drag the video into track above to create a duplicate from it. Now move the duplicate clip to the right to the position you want the effect to start. Then go to Effects panel and search for Basic 3D. Drag and drop Basic 3D Effect into the top video. With your top video selected, go to Effect Controls and under Basic 3D. Now place the playhead at the start and click on Stopwatch next to Swivel and Distance to Image to create starting keyframes and set Distance to Image to 50. Move the playhead a little forward and set the swivel to 1.5x and distance to 0. This will create second keyframes. If you want the video to go back to its original position and not rotate, set the swivel to 2x. Now move the playhead to start and click on Stopwatch next to Opacity to create a keyframe and set opacity to 0. Then move the playhead a little forward and set the opacity back to 100. Now in Effects panel, search for Gaussian blur and drag it into bottom clip. First select your top clip, then use these arrows to go to the first keyframe. Then select your bottom clip and click on the stopwatch next to blurriness. Now select the top clip again and go to the next keyframe. And select the bottom clip again and set the blurriness to around 50. Now our effect is completed. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.